I'm one of them winning. I'm one of them winning. I'm one of them winning.
I think where we are right now on the track, this is a very good first, but the whole trip has been so incredibly well organised. The cars yesterday, the dinners, the lunches, definitely a once-in-a-lifetime event. It's fantastic.
I think the highlight has been the driving of the Ferrari F8, cruising through from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. That was pretty spectacular.
Definitely Rich for organising this and keeping us going through the week. George, MJ, definitely. For getting this all set up. Absolutely amazing trip. Everyone involved, thank you very much.